Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable notifications for text messages on your phone. In a previous video, I show you how to quickly mute a notification from a particular sender or all senders who recently send you text messages. But what if you want to mute or turn off or disable notifications from your text message app entirely? This is how you do it. Go to settings, guys, and you want to scroll down and find notifications. From here, you want to tap on app notifications. Now you'll have the list of all your apps showing up. Now you want to scroll down and look for messages, or you can easily go ahead and use the search in the upper right hand side and type message, right? You will find the message apps. All of your message apps will be shown, but you want to look for that one which you use as your local message app. And as you can see, this is the one here. Now all you have to do is toggle it off, and that will go ahead and disable or turn off notifications from text messages. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.